Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Warframe on iOS or Android. So first of all, just go to your Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Now here you have to just write here Warframe and search for it. Right, don't worry regarding the spelling here, right, and here Warframe Companion. Now click on install. Now just wait till you get installed on your device. Now once it get installed, you have to wait till it load here. Now here it will ask you pull in from the left to open the menu. So yeah, we have to swipe. If you want, you can also log in here. Now this is the news, this is community, and this is a featured clan. So you can join any one of them here. On the top left side corner you will find the same things here: activities, news, codex, inventory, and everything. Now this is here, and let's say I will choose any one of them. Right, these are the activities. I will just choose here night wave, right, and once I do this, now here you can see these are the activities: bullet jump 150 times, skill. Also these are, you can see checkpoints and everything. Right now here we have to log in, so you can log in with your PC login, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. So this is just like a game, and you can play this after login here. And once everything is there, it's very really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.